Welcome to Harika's Home Cooking. Today I'm going to show you how to make yogurt starter. So I use two different methods to make this yogurt, and I will be showing you in this video how to make yogurt starter easily at home. But you need to be very patient in making the starter. So we basically need live cultures to make the yogurt. So showing you how to make the culture for the yogurt. Of how to make yogurt starter at home, because I faced this problem so many times not finding yogurt starter properly. So here I'm going to show you how to make that. So I have taken around 1.5 cup of milk and boiled it and made it into lukewarm, and make sure when you dip your finger you should be able to bear the heat. And I have taken 2 separate bowls and adding the milk until half on 2 bowls each. Then I will be adding here, I'll be using lime in 1 bowl, and I'll be using the green chili and red chili in 1 bowl. So I'm using a green chili which is having a stem on top of that, and make sure you're dipping the whole chili inside the milk with the stem. That's how it works. And I'll be using the lime juice on the other bowl. I have used around 1.5 tablespoon of lime and squeeze it well without any pieces of the lime in it, and just make sure you're giving a good mix. And then we are closing the lid on top of that and saving it in the warm place at least for 12 to 15 hours. So while doing this process, I felt my lime milk had started curdling earlier than the one with green chili and red chili. So I didn't find red chili with the stem, so I found it later and I added it in that. And you can make that way also. You can skip the green chili and add red chilies with stem. That also works well too. So make sure you're dipping the whole green chili in the milk and make sure it's keeping in the warm place. And I kept in my oven on the lime. So now I will be showing you how to make the yogurt with this yogurt starter. And also my lime yogurt was ready before then the one which is added with the green chili and red chili. So now I'll be showing you how to make the yogurt. So this is the milk which I already boiled and made into lukewarm. So I'll be adding the lime version in this, the lime starter in this, and give it a good mix and close the lid and put it on the side. So this took me a little bit longer time than the other one. So it took around whole night for me to this yogurt to get perfect hard yogurt. And in this I'm adding the green chili mixture, and this yogurt was ready before than the other one. So both work well, but the time varies. So you can do either way, which works better for you, but give it a try with very less batch. Don't start with the heavy quantities, so start with the less quantities so that you will get a good texture and good yogurt. See, after 12 hours my yogurt is ready. Both of them are ready. I'll be showing you, but the one which I prepared with the green chili one was very thicker and very nice. And also it curdled very faster than the other one. As you can see, I'll be showing you the closer look. Both the yogurts taste also very well. It doesn't taste much bad, but the first batch will be a little bit different. So try making it like very less batch so that you will have the curd starter, and you can keep adding this curd for next batches. And you can carry forward this yogurt for using in your future use. So this curd was made with the lime starter, and the other curd was made with the green chili and red chili starter. So I felt like the red chili worked well than the yogurt one, than the lime ones. So you try either ways, and whatever works best for you, you can start using that method. So I wanted to show you both the ways so that you can find the difference between both of the texture of the yogurt and do according to your convenience. So I felt the red chili one was the better than the lime yogurt starter. So either way is fine. Also get so many kind of cultured powders for making yogurt starter in the market. It will be really helpful for you. I did try what works well. So I have tried this at home and it worked well for me. So hopefully this will be useful for you guys too, and give it a try if you really make yogurts at home. And you can ask me if you have any doubts in my comment section. The store-bought yogurts, I also gave a try with the Chobani Greek yogurt and that worked well too. And you can try with that also by making very small batches of yogurt, and this worked well for me. Some people even don't get Chobani yogurt, so for them it will use me your doubts. So thanks for watching my video. Please